Hi, my loves. I'm Geraldine, and this is Diva Decorating. Welcome. So, guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you my full fall living room. Now, a couple videos back, I shared with you a entryway styling video and a fireplace styling video. So today, though, I will be sharing with you the full living room reveal. Now, I have changed a couple things around, and as of a couple days ago, I have finished everything that I'm going to do. This is the look, the final look that I am going for and through to the Christmas holidays. So, guys, I'm going to set the video to music. I hope you enjoy it. Before you leave, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. May God bless and keep you guys. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, my loves.